So welcome to Hook Crochet's beginner Irish crochet lace tutorials. This is the first of a series of tutorials which will show you how to make Irish crochet lace motifs. And the first motif that we're going to learn is a simple one. It's made with just double crochets, or in America single crochets, and it is going to be this little fella here. So a simple Irish crochet shamrock where you learn how to make double crochet over a cord and picots. So usually with Irish crochet you've got to work with a pretty fine crochet cotton, anywhere from number 20 crochet cotton, which is this one right here, where you would use a 1mm hook, or a 1.25, which is a number 8 crochet hook, all the way up to cotton which is 100. So that's a super fine one where you would be using a 0.6mm hook. Today, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use a number 10 crochet cotton, and we're going to work over a padding cord, which is also number 10. So you could use the same colour, but for the sake of the tutorial and so you can see the difference, I'll use a white padding underneath the green crochet. So just to show you the difference in what kind of the size of what size thread makes to your crochet, these ones here are made in different sizes. So this one is a number 10 crochet cotton. These two here are a number 20, so they're just a little bit smaller. And this one here is a number 40, so pretty fine little motif. Okay, so the one you're going to make today is going to be about that size, number 10 crochet cotton. Right, first of all, we need to cut our cord. So this is going to be our padding cord. You can make it about 4 crochet hooks long, and that should give you loads of length. So I'm going to leave that there. Now take your working cotton and get a little slip stitch on there. I'm going to use a 1.5mm hook. Where's that hook? Here it is, a 1.5mm hook. That will do me for today. And get a slip stitch onto your hook. Okay. Now we need to get the cord onto our thread. So find the very middle of your cord. That's right here. And we're going to slip stitch through the cord. So yarn over hook there and pull it all the way through. And now our cord is attached. So ordinarily you would crochet a chain and then work into the chain in crochet. So with Irish crochet, we're going to work directly over this cord, no chain made. So right into the cord, or under the cord, get the hook under the cord, grab the thread on the other side, pull it under, then yarn over hook, and pull it through those 2 loops, and there's a double crochet made over the cord. We've got 18 of these to do in total, so let's keep going. Hook under the cord, grab the thread, pull it under, yarn over hook, and finish your double crochet. So there's 2 double crochet. Hook under the cord, grab the thread, pull it under, yarn over hook, and finish it. So it's a little bit longer now. I can hold on to the work with my fingers. It should get a little bit easier and takes a bit of practice. So hook under the cord, pull the thread under, yarn over hook, and finish it. So there's 4. So I'm going to keep going like so until we have 18. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So there's 18 double crochets, or single crochets if you're in America, worked over a cord. Now we're going to turn this 18 double crochet into a ring. So back to the start, we're going to work a double crochet into the very first double crochet that we made. So the hook goes into the double crochet and under the cord. So into the double crochet and under the cord, and we're going to work a double crochet right in there into that stitch, and one more into the next. So a double crochet into the next stitch as well. So you've got 2 double crochets there at the start. Now at this point we're going to pull the thread or the cord and tighten up that ring. See how that tightened up there? Lovely. So pull the cord and that tightens up the ring in the center. Okay. Now we're going to begin to form our petals. So we've got 3 petals to make on our little shamrock. So back again, just over the cord, not into the ring, over the cord, we're going to work 11 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Now we're at the top of our petal and we're going to make our first picot. So it's going to be a 3 chain picot. So we've got to make 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Back into the last double crochet that you made on your cord. Get the hook right in there and make a slip stitch. Grab the thread on the other side and pull it through the 2 loops that are left on the hook. And we've made a little picot. Now we're going to work down the other side, and down the other side is 10 double crochet. So the 11th one is where your picot is in the middle. And now we've got 10 down the other side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, back to the main ring. We're going to work a double crochet into the 5th double crochet here on the main ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The hook goes into the 5th double crochet and under the cord, and we'll grab the thread on the other side, pull it through and make a double crochet there into that double crochet, and worked over the cord as well. So at this stage we want to pull the thread or the cord to make that petal nice and tight. So keep pulling it until it's the right tension, like so. And there we go. Okay. Now we're ready to make our second petal. Jeepers. So back up the other side, we're going to work 11 double crochet once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Now we have to make another picot, a 3 chain picot. 1, 2, 3 chain, slip stitch back into the first double crochet into the top of the last double crochet, and slip stitch in there. Now 10 double crochet down the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now get a double crochet into the 5th double crochet back on the main ring. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 into the 5th double crochet there, and under the cord make a double crochet. And now pull your cord to tighten up that petal so that they're all the same. Okay, 2 petals made. I'm going to pull that a little bit more. Now we're on to our last petal, and it's the same pattern, of course. So 11 double crochet up this side. Seven, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And a picot on the top. 1, 2, 3 chain, slip stitch back into the top of the last double crochet, like so. Now 10 double crochet down the other side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one, 10. Now find the 5th double crochet back onto the main ring again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and get a double crochet into the double crochet and under the cord. Now we're back to the start, but we've got one more stitch, so one more double crochet into the next double crochet and a slip stitch into the first one. Now we're ready to fasten off. So I'm going to cut this, pull it through. Now at this point we want to tighten up our last petal, so we're going to pull the cord, pull, 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 so that it's the right shape, and you keep pulling and stretching until it's the right shape. So you can pull and then stretch again, and pull and stretch again, and then you're finished. So you're ready to thread in your work. You can thread in the middle bit in here like so into the other side with a sewing needle, and thread this one into this side so that you've got a seamless center and a seamless finish. And then you can cut your cord. And there you have it. So I hope you could follow that tutorial and that you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe and come back for more. We've got lots more Irish crochet motifs coming up, and we'll show you how to put them all together as well with chains and picots. So I hope you enjoyed, and best of luck with it.